Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Aggie and today we're going to be making this really simple orange cake, and these are the ingredients we're going to need. 2 oranges, 2 cups wheat flour, 6 eggs, half a teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons baking powder, 1 cup of sugar and 1 cup of oil. So the first step is to chop your oranges, and then in a blender you're going to add your eggs, you're going to add your oranges. When you're buying oranges, also make sure that you always go for the seedless ones. You're also going to add in your cooking oil and then your sugar, and then you're going to cover and blend. And when you're blending, just make sure that it's properly blended, like give it enough time so that all the particles are dissolved. And then now you're going to transfer your blended mixture into a clean bowl, and then in that bowl you're going to sieve in your baking powder, and then you'll sieve in your salt, and then you're going to sieve in your wheat flour, and I always do this in 2 portions. So this is the first portion that you're going to sieve in before we start mixing. So after sieving in your first batch of flour, you're going to mix it in. Try to fold it in if you can. And then you're going to sieve in the rest of the flour as you continue to mix. So you're going to mix in the flour. If you can, it's better to fold it in as I'm doing in the video. So just mix it until all the flour is not visible. So after you finish your mixing, now you're going to grease your baking tin. After greasing your baking tin, now you're going to pour in your mixture. After pouring your mixture in the baking tin, you want to shake it up so that it levels up. You can shake it up or just hit it on the surface. And then you're going to bake it for 40 minutes under 350 degrees. So after 40 minutes, this is how our cake is going to look like, and you can leave it to cool before you take it out of your baking tin, and you can serve this delicious cake with a cold glass of juice or a hot cup of tea, whatever works for you. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly do so that you're not able to miss on any video that I post. And don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, and also leave a comment if you have anything that you want to let me know on the comment section. And see you in my next video.